In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a site private on Wix. If you are working on a website that isn't ready for the public yet, or you only want certain people to access it, Wix gives you a few simple ways to control privacy. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to unpublish your site, how to password protect individual pages, and how to hide your site from search engines if it still needs to stay out of Google results. First, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage the visibility of the site itself. Once your site is open, go to the top toolbar and click Site. In that menu, select Unpublish Site. Click Unpublish to confirm. This removes the site from public view, which is the best option if you don't want anyone accessing it online at all. It's especially useful while your site is still under construction or being reviewed before launch. If you still want your site to stay online but want to limit access to certain pages, the next option is password protection. In the Wix editor, go to the left sidebar and click Pages and Menu. Find the page you want to protect, then click the More Actions icon, shown as 3 dots. Next to that page from the menu, select Settings. Inside the page settings, go to the Access tab and choose Password Holders. Then enter the password you want to use and press Enter on your keyboard to save it. After that, repeat the same process for every page you want to keep restricted. This is a good method if you want selected visitors to access content while keeping it hidden from everyone else. Now, if your site is published, but you don't want search engines like Google to index it, you can turn that off from your Wix dashboard. Start by opening the dashboard for your site. On the left menu, click Marketing, then select SEO and GEO. From there, scroll until you find SEO Settings and click it. Continue scrolling until you reach the section called Set Site Preferences. In that area, locate the option labeled Let Search Engines Index Your Site and toggle it off. This tells search engines not to include your site in search results, which can help keep it less visible while it remains published. Keep in mind that unpublishing your site completely hides it from visitors, while password protection and search engine settings give you more selective control. Choose the option that best fits how private you want your site to be. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.